This video will be the control arm replacement on a Ford Edge.
And so how would the customer know this is going on? Just the traditional clunk? Feels loose, you might hear a clunk.
You might, no, not really. You might, yeah.
I mean, if it gets really bad,
You'll definitely see tire wear, but really it's just routine checkup.
Here's an example of a worn ball joint. Okay, we'll start by removing the front wheel. We need to remove the control link. Then we need to remove the lower ball joint connection to the steering knuckle. Remove the rear control arm bolt that goes to the subframe. And then the control arm bracket that has the rear rubber mount in it. Need to separate the ball joint from the steering knuckle. Be sure to inspect your new control arm, make sure it's for the right size. And then go ahead and install that. Gonna line up, position and line up that first bolt. Then get the bracket bolts lined up in the back. May require a jack. Can reattach the link. And then get that ball joint up into place and tighten that bolt. You'll put the wheels back on, check the alignment, and you're done.